Implementing our filters for the project, and here are the elements we used. Here's the small gravels and pebbles and the larger stones there, and this is sand, this is activated carbon, this is resin, and this is manganese. And we are using 3 vessels for it, and we are connecting these pipes to ensure the water reaches to the bottom of the vessels. And the second vessel consists of this pipe. We have connected this, and the third one we also connected this pipe with this to make sure the water reaches to the bottom of that vessel. Here's the internal part of the vessel, and now we will put the elements. And first we will start with the first vessel, and we will put the charcoal into the first vessel. We'll fill half of it with charcoal and the rest of it with sand and then stones. The coil actually ensures that water does not stink, and also it pures the water and reduces the germs. Now the coil part is quite complete. We need to still put some coil in it. Due to the pipe, it's getting a bit difficult to put the coil under it. We had tried without the pipe, but we noticed that the water doesn't go underneath the water in the bottom of the vessel properly. That's why we use the pipe. So we end up with the charcoal, and now we put some sand into the filter. Sand is one of the most important element to clearize the water. So in the second vessel we'll put some manganese at the very first layer. There it is, the manganese. Okay, now we'll again put some sand at the middle layer. These vessels are 10-inch, so it has some space to put some of the stuffs. Sand is one of the most important elements to purify water, so we are using sand in all the three vessels. Now we'll put some stones. This is called pebbles. So second one is done. Okay, now we'll go with the third vessel and we'll put some stones, sorry, resin at the bottom of that vessel. Right there. Yeah. This is actually resin cation. There are two resins available in the commercial areas, cation and anion, so we are using cation. Sand. So in the middle we'll again use sand layer. As the final layer of our filter, we'll put the stones. Actually, it took time for because we have connected those cap of the vessels with pipes. That's why. So now we are just connecting those vessels together using elbows and some narrow pipes. So the water will come from that way, and it will travel through from vessel 1 to 2 and then at last on the vessel 3. And because of using those pipes in internal setup, so the water will go underneath there in the bottom of the vessels and then again come to the next stage and next. Here are those 3 vessels all together.